Hey everyone, in this today's video I'll show you how to fix latency issues in BandLab on PC so your vocals and instruments record in perfect sync. First of all, open the BandLab application in the browser. Search your bandlab.com and your BandLab will be open. bandlab.com. Now if you have created a project, click on that project, or if you have not created a project, click a new project. After that, your new project will be open. Here, first of all, find the settings. At the right side you will see the three bar icon. Click on that and go to the settings. Here, scroll down to audio. Here you will find the latency test. Click it and BandLab will automatically measure the delay between your mic input and playback. Once it's done, it will adjust the timing for you. Now step 2 is to adjust the buffer size. If you still hear delay, check your buffer size. A smaller buffers reduces latency but can stress your PC. Go into the audio settings and set the buffers lower, like 128 examples. For live recording, if your PC struggles, raise it back up a little. Now use the right gear, that is the another option. Lastly, if possible, use a USB audio interface instead of your built-in mic and plug in wired earphones. This reduces both latency and echo while recording. And that's it. Run the latency test, adjust your buffer size and use the right gear. Your BandLab recording should now be perfectly in time. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more BandLab tips, and I'll see you in the next one.